Yeah. Powder down.
We out here, 40 inches in the last 48. This is gonna be nuts. Oh, that was insane. Perfect somersault to keep going. That was hilarious. Oh no!
Oh, no.
Demo. That was not an ideal call.
I followed you. That was fucking fun.
That was fun. I don't know if I've had a better one in my life. Whew. Big drop time.
Fucking right. Hit it, buddy. Video?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Tim, welcome to Wolf. Welcome to Wolf Creek, buddy.
Yeah, seriously.
That's what it
I
is.
just immediately dropped like 3 feet, somersaulted. It's like, and I came up front and I was like, sweet. And I was like, fuck, I don't have my ski. All right. Who wants a beer?
Rosé.
Rosé.
Yeah, I mean, it's still fun though.
Woo! Hey, Daddy?
Bummer. It's actually a little easier to hike when they have stairs. It's pretty sick.
Boy, Timmy, hands up, buddy.
Here goes the ball. Here goes nothing. Ah.
That was great.
Yo.
That was amazing.
Oh, that was incredible.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
We're
We're just in the hot springs, now we're going in the river. It's 0 degrees.
It's fucking cold.
Last day of the trip, gotta get some sledding in. This hill is not ideal. Oh, damn it. Battery might die. This is what we got. Over the sticks, miss the trees. 3, 2, 1, send it. I can't believe that worked. That ruled. Oh, I'm an idiot.